Hello guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel. This is Norbu speaking, and today we are going to fly this homemade rocket.
Before that, let's see how we made it. The rocket, as you see, is made up of cardboard. The payload consists of a parachute and avionics. This is the process to check the stability of the rocket using centrifugal force. Let's paint the rocket. Let's paint it white. As Joe Barnard said, painting the rocket makes it faster. Now coming on to the next part, the electronics. This is the launch controller. Consists of Arduino Nano and a MOSFET to switch the high power for the igniter. A Bluetooth module to remotely launch the rocket. Datalogger consists of Arduino Nano as well with BMP180 and MPU6050 to get altitude and acceleration data. Our astronaut is ready to fly. So let's get into the launch pad and launch it up to the sky. And this is Open Rocket, where I designed the rocket. If you want more video about Open Rocket or rocketry, subscribe for the channel.
And finally,